How to recover Snapchat account without phone number and email. Here search for Snapchat support here and tap on search once you are done. Tap on the first suggestion shown and wait for it to load. Now in the search bar you can go ahead and type in your problem, that is recover Snapchat account, and once you are done just tap on search. Now here a couple of displays will be shown right here and you can choose anyone that you want and give it a cross mark in this article helpful question. Now just tap on any of this opinion and tap on submit. Now at the bottom you see contact us, just tap on that and wait for it to load. Now from here tap on I can't access my account and again I forgot my password here and your request will be submitted. And wait for a while. Here you can tap on yes and then fill up this form. Just enter your username of your Snapchat. This must has to be linked. Also add in your email address and your mobile number. Also mention your country code here. Now at the bottom you will see description box. Here just tap in your problem here. You can just copy paste the same thing that I'm writing or you can be creative with it. Let me speed this process for you so that you don't have to wait for it. Now once you are done just tap on submit here and wait for the request to be submitted. It might take a while and you will see it will display success here and you'll be receiving your confirmation email address in your Gmail that you just input. So make sure to go ahead and do according to the instructions shown. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.